So if you ever do a video such as this and whatever you have in your shirt is reversed, people can't read it, there's an easy way to fix that on Final Cut Pro. I'm going to show you how to do that. By the way, make sure you subscribe. Definitely let me know what you think down in the comments section below. Okay, so here we are in Final Cut Pro. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click Command N. I'm going to start a new project. I'm going to put tasks and I'm going to go just, your basic 1080p. And actually, I'm going to go to custom right here. And then I'm going to go 1080 by 1920. And the reason why I'm doing this is because this is actually a vertical video. This is actually something that you could post on TikTok, YouTube Short, and things like that. So now we have a vertical video set up. We're gonna grab this, and as you can see, if you're watching this video, you cannot read what it says. That section right there, you can see it right there. I'm gonna give you a close-up so you can see, but again, it's reversed. So what you want to do is that you want to highlight here the picture, and then you want to go up here to the right. The first one is gonna say video, right? The video inspector, and you're gonna go to scale X, which is right there, and then you're gonna go to minus 100, right? So you could kind of click on those numbers right there, just put a little minus, and you're gonna go to minus 100 and click enter. And as you can see, the picture just flips. So now you could actually read what it says right there. So again, just a very simple way for you to flip the picture and have the right orientation in your video. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. We see you in the next one.